Hi, fifth graders. It's Mrs. Farrell back with your next number talk for today. I hope everybody had a good week. This is technically your last day of e-learning for the week. So I figured for our number talk today, we would try a splat. Splat is courtesy of Steve Wyborny, who also does our estimateries for us. So I hope you enjoy. So this is going to be a little bit of an interesting one because I'm actually showing you the splats right away. And I know those of you who are familiar with Splat, that's a little different than what we've done in the past. So really what I want you to think about today is you obviously see three splats here. We have two reds, one yellow, and then we see two blue dots that are out in the open. So what you're actually going to do today is think about some possibilities for how many dots could be under the red and the yellow splats. So the only thing you need to know, though, is that the red splats must be the same amount. So the question overall then is how many dots could be on this screen? So think about it. You can pause. Remember that the same amount of dots must be under the red, the two reds, and then yellow could be a different number. But what is a possibility for how many dots there might be in all on this slide? I'll share a couple possibilities with you after you have some time to think. So go ahead and pause. All right. So then as we come back, I see two out there already. And I'm going to just start with, let's think maybe 5 dots are underneath both of those reds. That's telling me that that would be 5 plus 5 is 10. Plus those two, we're up to 12. And let's say there were 4 underneath the yellow. 12 and 4 more would equal 16. So that's one possibility. Again, try and, as you're looking, I'm imagining maybe some of you are giving me the agree sign, maybe not. Explain how you came up with your solution. Let's see what the computer came up with. So the computer came up with an option of 15, or Steve Wyborny came up with an option of 15. So let's think about how he would have gotten that. So again, go ahead and pause. If the answer was 15, how would he have gotten that? We know there are 2 out. So 15 minus 2 is 13. And then we'd have to find a way to divide those 13 up into 3 groups, 2 of which are the same and 1 of which is different. So if it was 13, I'm imagining he might do 5 and 5 to make the 10, 5 in each of the reds, and then maybe 3 more in the yellow. That's one solution that I'm thinking of. Doesn't have to be that, though. What if it was 6 in both of the reds? That would give us 12, and then just 1 in the yellow. Lots of different solutions. Oh, and look, he came up with a completely different one than the 2 I just shared. So he envisioned 3 in each, which gives us 6. 6 plus the 2 that are already there is 8, and then he would need 7 in the yellow. So really what this is doing is just letting us try to think about lots of different possibilities. So think about it. Think if you can come up with any other ones. Maybe ask someone in your family what they would do and just have fun looking at all the possibilities. I hope you have a great week, and I'll be back next week. Bye.